Welcome everyone. This is Faith and Honor. So glad you can join me today. So we survived this major snowstorm. Yes, we got approximately 9 inches of snow, and it is absolutely beautiful. So what my husband did, he put tarps over our vehicles. Yeah, and he just took the tarp off his vehicle. As you can see behind me, he just took the tarp off, and still got the tarp on my vehicle. So yeah, it is the sun has come out. Let me make sure I don't fall, y'all. Somebody's out there playing and enjoying themselves. Yes, so we got about a good 9 inches. And if you look, you would definitely see behind me the icicles. It's hanging off the house. Not only that, let me walk over here so you guys can see me. Woo! Sharon, don't fall. If I fall, will y'all laugh? Please don't fall, Sharon. And the snow is not hard. The snow is soft. It's beautiful snow. So yeah. And this really helped. And I'm walking in the steps that my husband. Woo! So yeah. See, still got the top on my vehicle. And that's the one thing we learned last week. When we had that ice storm, he put tarps on our vehicles, and then after the storm was over, he said move back. You sliding. Stop. Tell him to stop. He's sliding. Stop. You're sliding. You're sliding. Yeah, you ain't even rolling. You're sliding. You're stuck. You're stuck. You're going to have to let it stay. He's sliding, y'all. He's sliding. He is sliding. He trying to go. You need to stay right there. Do y'all see this? He's still trying to go. No. Lord have mercy. No. Do y'all see this man? He's still trying to go. You're going to have to leave it right there. Yeah. Y'all saw that, right? He's going to have to wait until that snow melts down before he can get up out of here. That back wheel won't go nowhere. Yeah, the tires were just spinning. And you still trying to go, put it in 4-wheel drive and everything.
No, I tried to put it in reverse.
Oh, okay, so he tried to put it in reverse. It didn't go.
I ain't got no traction on the tire, that's why.
Well, anyway, y'all. Yeah, 9 inches of snow. And how, you know that car that we just seen out there?
Yeah.
Well, it was a pickup truck, right? Well, how did they manage?
He probably had it parked on the street.
Oh, okay. That's the difference between parking your vehicle on the street versus having it sitting in your yard, right?
Yeah.
But we ain't got no snow on the vehicle, but he was trying his best. We was going to try to go in the front yard.
I was going to go down the driveway and back up.
Oh, no. It ain't even going to work. Little Blue.
It'll work.
Wait till the snow melt and then you try. See? Y'all hear what he said? It'll work. He was spinning. Both tires were spinning. Because he was trying to go forward and then he was trying to go back. It ain't going to work, y'all. No, it's not. Oh, my goodness. 9 inches of snow and he think he can go. Not today. Y'all, this snow is beautiful. But, however, only seen one vehicle not just pass by on the street over here. That's the only vehicle I've seen all day that's been pretty much kind of out and about. Other than that, everybody else's vehicles are sitting in their yard. They are just trying to let the snow melt down off their cars and everything. But oh my goodness, y'all, we got a lot of snow. You can see the icicles up there, everything. It is like, it's beautiful, but it ain't nothing to play with. For those of you who feel like it's still safe to get out there and drive, don't do it. Now, if you got a truck, a 4-wheel truck, what you trying to do, honey? You trying to make, I don't even think that's gonna work what you're trying to do. He already fell and everything, y'all. He fell down. He actually fell down. Anyway, y'all, so yeah, this is the Carolinas. This is what you see. This is what you get. This is everything. His truck has no snow on it. But anyway, let me give you a short visual. I'm not going far because I don't want to fall. But let me give you a visual of, I'm going to, you know what? This snow came all the way past. It's a lot of snow out here, y'all. And I think I'm getting ready to go in the house. What you about to do? Start
Back it up.
You. Oh my God. Let me get in. He said he getting ready to back it up. Let me get in the house. Let me get on the porch first. Wait. Lord have mercy. I don't want to fall. I don't want to. Oh. Let me get on this porch. And he's still oh my, you still spinning? You're sliding and you're spinning. Yo, I just told him, okay, he's gonna let it go. He decided he's gonna leave it right there.
Yep.
He's spinning his wheels, he ain't getting nowhere. But y'all, this is the snow we got here in the Carolinas. So I hope y'all have a wonderful evening. I hope everybody's being safe. I hope everybody's staying off the streets until a lot of this snow melts down here in the Carolinas. So you guys have an amazing day, and everybody be blessed.